4 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3/4 of a cup of canola oil, 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 cup of milk.
Crack each egg into the glass and check for blood spots.
Then add the sugar to the egg. Then add vanilla extract.
We're going to add the oil. So we need 3 cups of oil.
So we're going to be putting cupcake holders until
These muffin trays.
So now we're going to put them into the cupcake holders.
The batter. And we're filling it up 3/4 of the way.